everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about polycarbonate lens. Here most of us use spectacles, so we should know what type of lenses are better for us. So let us discuss about polycarbonate lens. Definition: polycarbonate material was first produced in the late 1950. Since then, there has been a steady increase in its quality and use. A polycarbonate lens is a lens made of a thermoplastic polymer of the carbonate group. It is about 10 times more impact resistance than normal plastic or glass lenses. Impact resistance means durability of a material used for protecting workers in terms of occupational health and safety of eye. Next, refractive index of polycarbonate lens is 1.586 and Abbe value is 30. Now, what is refractive index? Refractive index means it indicates how much light passes through the material from air. The higher the refractive index of given material, the more light will refract as it enters the material. So, higher refractive index means more thinner the lens and more clarity of the lens. And Abbe value means white light is composed of the visible spectrum of wavelength, each corresponding to a different color. The Abbe value is inversely proportional to the chromatic aberration induced as light passes through it. So, the higher the Abbe value, the lower amount of chromatic aberration. Next, initially the ophthalmic use of this material was restricted to industrial safety lenses, as it was quite grey in appearance. But now polycarbonate lenses are readily available, not only as safety lenses but also as high quality spectacle lenses for dress wear. Polycarbonate lenses are thermoplastic polymer that melts at a fairly low temperature and can be molded and remolded easily by a process of heating and cooling. It means polycarbonate material lenses are now available to use for safety lenses in industrial area and sports area also. And nowadays other outdoor activities also polycarbonate lenses we can use. Next, when the strength of polycarbonate is compared to that of metals, the mechanical strength is fairly low, but it is very light, and as a spectacle lens material they are very strong. It means polycarbonate lenses are very lightweight and they are very strong also compared to the other lenses. Next, polycarbonate lenses have become the standard for safety glasses, sport goggles and children's eyewear. Next, because they are less likely to fracture than regular plastic lenses, polycarbonate lenses also are a good choice for rimless eyewear designs in which the lenses are attached to the frame components with drill mounting. It means especially for rimless frame, polycarbonate lenses are better option because they are very lightweight material and strong compared to the other material of lens. Next, advantage of polycarbonate lens. Polycarbonate lenses are made by injection molding and have good impact resistance. Next advantage, it's making them ideal for children and for sports and industrial work, and they also have a good ultraviolet protection and the refractive index more than CR39. And the disadvantages include the fact that their abrasion resistance is very poor. Adding an anti-scratch coating can help but reduces the impact resistance slightly. And another disadvantage is high chromatic aberration is present. Next, now we compare this polycarbonate lens with glass and plastic. So, in glass lenses, not easily scratched in glass lenses, can be used around harsh chemicals in glass lenses, can be made in your corrective prescription in glass lenses, and sometimes it's very heavy and uncomfortable in glass lenses, and in plastic lenses are very lighter in weight. Plastic lenses are protect against welding splatter. Plastic lenses are not likely to fog. Plastic lenses are not as scratch resistant as glass. And polycarbonate lenses are very lightweight. Polycarbonate lenses are protect against welding splatter. Polycarbonate lenses are not likely to fog. Polycarbonate lenses are stronger than glass and plastic. Polycarbonate lenses are more impact resistant than glass or plastic, and polycarbonate lenses are not as scratch resistant as glass. So, today we learn about polycarbonate lens and its advantage. Hope it will be helpful for you all. Thank you.